Hey y'all, Adam Zimmerman with Rocky Mountain BioAg again. Soil surveys, also known as soil mapping, is the process of classifying soil types and other soil properties found in a selected area. Soil mapping applies the principles of soil science, geomorphology, theories of soil formation, physical geography, and soil conservation. Knowledge of soil landscapes and various soil functions have also been included in building these soil survey maps. Soil surveys commonly identify the more important soil characteristics that determine the limitations and qualities of the soil found on a property. Soil surveys can also help guide landowners to manage their soil health, reduce soil erosion, and improve nutrient cycling, thus increasing the resiliency of their property. Typical soil properties and characteristics that are described in soil survey maps include, but are not limited to, descriptions of each soil series found on the landscape, water holding capacity, sand, silt, and clay content, infiltration ability, soil erosion rates, and many more. The soil survey provides a map and description for each factor chosen and is a valuable, informative tool that producers can refer back to year after year. Producers and landowners can use the data provided in a soil survey map to be better informed and feel empowered in their decision-making processes regarding the soil management of their property. If you're interested in gaining more knowledge and understanding of the soil that exists on your landscape and how it functions, then don't hesitate to visit the website or call the office at Rocky Mountain BioAg.